Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the interactions in the notification settings on your TikTok account easy and quickly. So first enter TikTok, click on your profile section, then click on the three lines and go to the settings and the privacy. Next go to the notifications, and as you see here we have the interactions. We have many options like the likes, comments, new followers, etc., the reposts, the posts with posts you interacted with, and the streaks. So that's it. That's how to manage this section easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.